It is a Filipino value of going out of the way to help without being asked. A. Pakikiramay. B. Pakikisama. C. Bayanihan. D. Galang. Answer A. Pakikiramay. Regardless of whether someone's views are agreeable or not, Filipinos are capable of getting along with it. A. Pakikiramay. B. Pakikisama. C. Bayanihan. D. Galang. Answer B. Pakikisama. Filipinos are able to render services and are generous enough to extend help without compensation. This Filipino value is called A. Pakikiramay. B. Pakikisama. C. Bayanihan. D. Galang. Answer C. Bayanihan. This Filipino value is basically oriented to revere to the opinions of elders, peers, or those in authority during important discussions during social encounters. A. Pakikiramay. B. Pakikisama. C. Bayanihan. D. Galang. Answer D. Galang. This act is known as the Flag and Heraldic Code of the Philippines. A. Republic Act Number 11200. B. Republic Act Number 8491. C. Republic Act Number 6506. D. Act Number 3815. Answer B. Republic Act Number 8491. It is known as the Flag and Heraldic Code of the Philippines. A. Republic Act Number 8491. B. Republic Act Number 6506. C. Act Number 3815. D. Republic Act Number 11200. Answer A. Republic Act Number 8491. The flag of the Philippines shall be blue, white, and red with an 8-rayed blank sun and 3 5-pointed stars. A. Sunflower yellow. B. Golden yellow. C. Lemon yellow. D. Canary yellow. Answer B. Golden yellow. Any person who violates the provisions of the Flag and Heraldic Code of the Philippines shall upon conviction be punished by a fine or imprisonment of not more than A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 5 years. Answer A. 1 year. The Philippine flag shall be displayed in all of the following every day except one. A. All public buildings. B. Institutions of learning. C. All embassies. D. Official residences and public plazas. Answer C. All embassies. It shall mean lowering the flag to 1/2 the distance between the top and bottom of the staff. A. Half mast. B. Hoist. C. Fly. D. Festoon. Answer A. Half mast.